In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to access document error on Google Docs. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are unable to access documents while using Google Docs, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. First, you're told to please make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. However, if you have stable internet connection but you're still unable, then you want to troubleshoot your app to fix this. To do this, go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down to apps, and under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for docs, tap on it to open, and here you want to go to for stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and tap on clear cache and finally OK, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and you want to ensure that before you open your app, you are not connected to any VPN or any recently installed security app. If you have any of this, uninstall them as they might be causing this issue. Now open your app and log in with the correct email to see if this fixes your problem. In most cases, now this should be able to fix your problem. However, if you still encounter a challenge, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for your Google Docs and see if you have any update. Update your app to the latest version. If you still can't access your documents at this point and you are using the correct login details, then try and see if you can log into your Google Docs using any web browser like Google Chrome or even Firefox, and see if you'll be able to log in to access and open your documents. But should this still fail, then most likely Google Docs might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait and try after some few minutes, then the error should have gone away. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.